Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Squarespace Analytics in 2026. So if you want to track visitors, understand your audience, and grow your website with real data, this guide will walk you through everything step by step. First, log into Squarespace and go to your website dashboard, then click on Analytics from the main menu. Next, open the traffic overview. Here you can see how many people visited your site, where they came from, and which pages they viewed. Now check your top pages. This shows which content is performing best and getting the most clicks. Next, look at your traffic sources. You'll see whether visitors are coming from Google, social media, or direct visits. Now review audience behavior. This helps you understand how long users stay on your site and what they interact with most. If you run a store, check your conversions and sales data. This shows how many visitors actually became customers. Now use this data to improve your website. Focus on pages that perform well and update weaker ones to get better results. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Squarespace Analytics. Keep checking your data regularly to grow your website faster and smarter. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this.